my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video I'm going to do a holiday makeup look with this Kylie Jenner Holiday Addiction Kyshadow palette. This is my first holiday makeup tutorial, so I really hope you guys like it, and make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new in this channel, and also check out my Instagram. You can get all my updates. So anyways, let's get started. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look, and if you like this makeup look, then let me know in the comment section. And happy holiday season to everyone. Stay safe, stay happy, and take care. So I will be back in my next video. Bye bye.